Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Bolt scooter. First, download the Bolt app from your app store and set up your account. You'll need to add a payment method, like a credit card or debit card, to get started. Once your account is ready, open the app to view a map showing available scooters nearby. Find one that's conveniently located for your journey. Safety is paramount when riding a Bolt scooter. Always wear a helmet to protect yourself and be sure to follow all local traffic laws, just as you would with a bicycle. Ride on bike lanes whenever possible and maintain a safe distance from other road users. Remember, these scooters can reach speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour, so stay alert and aware of your surroundings. Let's quickly go over the scooter's features. You'll find the throttle on the right handlebar. Gently press it to accelerate. The brake lever is on the left handlebar for smooth stopping. Always check the battery level in the app before you start your ride to ensure you have enough power for your destination. Many scooters also include a small bell to alert others to your presence. When you've reached your destination, it's time to end your ride. Look for a designated parking zone, often marked in the app, and ensure the scooter isn't blocking any pedestrian pathways or entrances. Take a clear photo of the parked scooter through the app to confirm its location and condition. Finally, tap End Ride in the app to stop the billing and complete your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.